أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to a new video of learning some of the most difficult words in Quran. Today we are going to learn this word. First we will know that what are the rule will apply here. Hamza is joining this one. Hamza is joining with Ya, but we will join it strongly. Now the next rule is idgham. After noon sakin there is meme. So we will mix the sound of noon sakin and tanween and read it with gunna. Same rule is here. After noon sakin there is another rule. So we will mix it and read it as gunna. Now ba is joining with ya. First we will join it strongly. Then the ikhfa rule is here. So we will do ikhfa. Now this is la, lam and alif. It means that we never have to stop here. Let's read it. Waka ayim. We are not reading yin, but yim min nabiyyin qatala ma'ahu. وكأي من نبي قاتل معه ربيون كثير. We are joining it strongly. Whenever there is a tashdid, so you have to join it strongly. So first rule, this is idgham. Second, this is idgham again. And third, this is ikhfa. We are not reading it yin, but ya. وكأي من نبي قاتل معه ربيون كثير. I hope you understand it. If you learn something new, please follow us. And also, if you want to learn Quran, please do contact with us. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.